Hello viewers, welcome to this week's Nifty50 technical update. Last week we observed that the long-term trend based on the week chart remains bullish. Additionally, as per the Fibonacci retracement levels, the price was attempting to stabilize within the golden zone. Meanwhile, the daily chart revealed that the short and mid-term trends were downward, with the demand zone identified between 21k to 22k this June. Now let's analyze the upcoming price movements. The current price action remains bearish, with the price maintaining its position within a downward channel. The next resistance level to watch are 22k 600, this level, and the upper band of the channel and this level. Given this setup, we expect that price to move in line with the channel and eventually attempt to settle within the demand zone of 21k to 22k. However, if the price closes below this demand zone, the next support level is likely to be in the range 20k to 20k 500 this June, like this. That's all for this week's update on Nifty50. As always, stay informed, trade wisely, and thank you for watching. So see you next time. Hello viewers, welcome to this week's Sensex technical update. Last week we mentioned that on weekly chart the Sensex remains in an uptrend for the higher time frame. Additionally, the price was attempting to stabilize within the Fibonacci golden zone, this area. As per the daily chart, the short and mid-term trends were observed to be downward, with the key demand zone identified between 70k to 71k, this area. Now let's take a look at the expected movements for the upcoming days. The price continues to maintain its position within a downward channel currently. Now let's take a look at the expected movements for the upcoming days. The price movements for the now let's take a look at the expected movements for the upcoming days. The price continues to maintain its position within a downward channel, this channel, and it is currently facing a resistance at the channel's mid band. Here is the resistance, this area. In the days ahead, the price is expected to move in the days ahead, the price expected to move within this channel, potentially attempting to settle within the price 70k to 71k, this area. It may take some time for the price to stabilize in this range. However, if the price breaks below the demand zone, this demand zone, the next support zone will be between 67k to 68k, this area. If break this demand zone, and there it will take some time for reversal. That's all for this week's Sensex update. As always, thank you for tuning in. Stay informed, trade smart, and we will see you next time. Hello viewers, welcome to this week's S&P 500 technical update. Last week we mentioned that the higher time frame, the weekly chart for the S&P 500 shows as a bullish trend. However, we observed divergence and resistance with a key demand zone identified between 5,500 and 5,800. On the daily chart, the price was nearing the demand zone 5,700 to 5,800. Now let's dive into the next potential price movement. The price has already broken down the previously identified support zone. That support zone already break down, which is now expected to act as a resistance. The current demand zone lies between 5,300 to 5,400, this area. In the upcoming days, there is a likely move within this range, like this. If the price fails to hold within this zone and breaks below, the next support and level is anticipated to be in the range 5,000 to 5,200, this area. At that level, we expect that the price takes some time, and at that level, we expect the price to take some time to stabilize and attempt to settle. That's it for this week's S&P 500 update. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, trade wisely, and we will see you in the next update.